Hi everyone, my name is Katie. I'm an art therapist and professional clinical counselor at Able Artswork, and today I'm going to teach you how to do an art therapy technique called Mandala Making. And to make this even more fun, we're going to utilize found objects that we have in home to make a three-dimensional mandala utilizing toilet paper rolls. So gather your old toilet paper rolls and let's get started. Mandala making is a creative technique that is actually used around the world. The word mandala means magic circle, and it's considered to be a spiritual practice. In art therapy, we often utilize the creation of mandalas as a form of mindfulness and wellness practice. It can be viewed as something that can be meditative or relaxing, but again, everyone's experience is different. You can utilize a variety of materials. Here, I decided to make a three-dimensional mandala utilizing toilet paper and paper towel rolls, which is how we're gonna do our project today. So the materials you're gonna need is a piece of paper or something large that you can glue it down to, like cardboard, maybe a found object. It's up to you. We're also going to need several toilet paper rolls or paper towel rolls. For this project, I utilized about 6, but it depends on how big you want to make this. This is glued down to 11 by 14 piece of paper. You're also going to need some type of glue. You can use white glue, or if you have a hot glue gun, you can utilize that. You're going to need some scissors, a pen or pencil for marking, and a ruler. So the first thing we're going to do is take our paper towel or toilet paper roll and we're going to flatten it. So we're going to put on the table with both hands. You're going to push down and you're going to flatten it as best that you can. You'll see that it'll be slightly open. That's fine. And then we're going to take our ruler and we're going to measure out 1/2 inch marks on both sides. So if you put your ruler on your table and you're going to hold down your toilet paper roll and we're going to mark every 1/2 inch. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is just to give us an idea. And if you want thicker, you can always go 1 inch, but I like a little bit thin. Now we're going to turn it over and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now you're going to do this to every single roll that you have. We're just going to do one so I can show you examples. Now we're going to cut on each of those straight across. And we're going to do that to the entire roll until we have no more left. Might be a little bit difficult, just do your best. Again, this don't have to be perfect straight lines. We just made the marks to have an indication of where we're going. Now we have these little pieces, and what's great is we can explore different ways to utilize these. So one thing that I found with utilizing toilet paper rolls is that they're very manipulative. You can squeeze them and form different shapes, which is really fun for when you're doing your mandala. So I'm going to show you some of the techniques that I used. One is I just kind of left the toilet paper roll and I kind of opened it up a little bit so it looks like a leaf, and then I created a flower in the middle of my mandala by gluing together 6 of these pieces. Now you can also take this, bend it together, and fold it in half. That gives you a little piece like this, and I did that to 2 of them and then glued them together like this, and this gave me a really fun little design, and then I glued another piece in between. The other thing you can do is you can actually cut this in half just like that. And now you have a piece that you can open up and you can spread it apart to put it around another piece. You can also manipulate this to kind of fold it and make different designs or shapes out of it. And what's great is it goes right back. So you can kind of play around with it. Another thing you can do is make circles or curlicues. Like I have on here, I have some circles. So how we do that is we're gonna take our pen or pencil, we're gonna take our piece that we just cut, we're gonna kind of flatten it out. We're gonna put it on top of the pen and we're gonna roll it. Roll it all the way around, just like that, and kind of pinch. And then you're gonna pull your pen or your pencil out, just like that. And now you have your circle. And you can either glue the edge together so it forms a perfect circle, or you can actually open it up a little bit, play around, and make it a curl, which then makes a little fun design to add. Now that you know how to make your different designs and patterns, we're gonna start on the actual mandala. So now you're gonna need your piece of paper or cardboard piece that you're gonna use to glue your mandala on. Now you can either freehand a circle, or you can utilize something to trace, like a plate. So I'm gonna put this on my paper and I'm just gonna do a quick trace around it using my pen. Just like that. It's okay if you can't see all of it. We're gonna be gluing on top anyways. Now you have your circular mandala on your paper and we're ready to glue. This is where the fun and creative part comes. So you can utilize your pieces how you would like. Maybe you do a design in the middle, like a leaf pattern with some extra detail, and then maybe a curly Q. And you're just gonna play around with how you like it and then glue it down. I hope you enjoy, that you find this process relaxing. See you next time.